Hi everybody, we're going to be working on keeping a safe gap from the car in front of you, and we're going to be also working on how to measure that 2-second gap if you're not sure how to do that, and I'll show you how to do that in the next few seconds. So let's get some driving done. So we can see the car ahead of us at the moment, the white one. So as it passes a stationary object, you want it to keep it 2 seconds. So that yellow sign, as it goes past it, 0, 1, 2, I've got just over 3 second gap there. And the faster you go, you still keep that 2 second gap minimum. So I had just over 3 seconds, which is ideal. And if you can't see a sign, a tree, a lamppost, a bridge, anything that kind of keeps a gap from you to measure from the car or the van or the bus from when they pass it to when you pass it. And that's what you've got to measure. And if you can't do that one, there's a saying, only a fool forgets 2 second rule, so you can do that as well. So we'll get on some fast roads and we'll measure on fast roads. So the consequences of not keeping a safe gap from the car in front of you is you're going to risk driving into them, you're going to be late to react to things. So let's wait for the traffic to get past and we'll pull out. A nice busy roundabout and we're off. So whenever you pull off at a roundabout or junction, you're always going to be close to start with, but as you build your speed up, you let a gap develop. That's the important thing you've got to say. So you got a white sign for the grey car. Oh, he's just pulled into space. So I'm dropping off the gas, checking my mirrors, the bus stop. 0, 1, 2. Got a 2 second gap straight away, and it changes all the time. If cars pull out, you've got the black car on the left might pull out into it. No, he's waiting safely, that's good. I'm checking my mirrors, I'm going to follow the road ahead at the roundabout, and I'm constantly keeping a gap. Now if you're on your driving test and you're not keeping a gap and you're getting too close for no reason apart from the fact that you're just letting yourself get too close, then you're really going to get a serious in the end for being too close to them, because it's dangerous. Obviously, like I said then, at roundabouts, junctions or in queues, you're going to get close to a car, but even then you're going to be slowing down and keeping a safe gap. But as you're driving, you've got to keep your gap. So the two cars in front of the two vans, they're way too close. So I have to drop off the gas a little bit then to keep a safe gap from them. So that white sign on the left there, I'm going to measure it. So as it goes past this van in front of me, 0, 1, 2, and a bit. Or you could say, only a fool forgets 2 second rule. It could be the big roundabout sign, or anything that's on the side of the road that's going to help you measure that gap. That's what you've got to do. But remember, if you're driving in wet conditions, then it needs to be 4 seconds, doesn't it? Doubles. So it's got to be a lot more time for braking and slowing down. And if you're in snow, it's going to be 10 times, so you're talking 20 seconds. So 10 times 2 seconds it's going to be. So you've got to take that into account also. So the idea of bad weather conditions is that you're going to adjust your speed and slow down earlier, give yourself more time. So I'm building my speed up quite nice. The van ahead of me is quite far away. If I measure it as it goes past that white sign on the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, nearly 4 seconds. I'm doing 50 miles an hour, keeping a nice gap. I don't have to kind of be on their tail, because the closer I get to them, they're gonna be later for me to brake. It's gonna be later to react, and if they brake late, I've got to brake late. So another tip for you, look beyond the first car, see what's happening if you can. That'll help you to kind of slow down also. So I'm hoping this quick one on keeping a 2 second gap helps you. If it does, fantastic. And if you're new to my channel and you want to see more videos that are going to help you to improve your driving, then click on subscribe, hit the bell icon, and feel free to share the videos. Safe driving everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.